the expectation in the county is about 1/10 to 2/10 of an inch of freezing rain. So week, pretty much the rest of the month into February, where temperatures sub freezing. So it's going to, for whatever we can't get up today off sidewalks and streets.
Great, thank you, Chris. Just a couple event summary kind of items. As we know, the governor for Maryland, so we're eligible for assist the expenditures that happen to go out so that we can use those as part of the cost capture for and we have an SEP at 01:30 this morning. Minimal impacts on that snow emergency procedure because